we're gonna use a little known mail merge method between Gmail and Google Sheets in order to send personalized bulk emails in Gmail. Hey friends, I'm Tasia Custode and welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tech tips, app reviews, and so much Gmail content. You might wonder if we're living inside Gmail right now. But today, I'm showing you how to send bulk emails in Gmail. So let's go. So if you have to send out mass emails to clients or colleagues, you could use the BCC method where you just hide everyone's emails from each other. But that's so basic, Henny. Okay, I'm sorry, I'll never do that again. But you can actually send out personalized bulk emails in Gmail. Here's how. So the first thing we need to do is head to this Google Workspace for Developers page, which I've linked to down below for you. And we're gonna scroll down to the Try It section. But before we hit Make a Copy, you need to make sure you have a Google account in order to do this, which of course you do. That's why you're here. Anyway, go ahead and click on Make a Copy. Now this new Google Sheets page is gonna come up asking you if you'd like to make a copy of the document, which we do, so click on Make a Copy again. Now, here we are in our mail merge spreadsheet. So this is your own sheet now since you made a copy, so you can title it whatever you want. Like maybe you wanna do this based on campaign, you could change that. And you can customize any of these headers and columns except for the recipient and the email sent columns. So the recipient column is where we're going to put in the email addresses of the recipients we're going to send the email to. And then the email sent column is going to give us a sent confirmation once the email is actually sent out. So let's use the magic of editing to fill out our spreadsheet according to our needs. Bing, just like that, here is our filled out spreadsheet where we have first and last names, emails, and the verticals the recipients fall under, and even unique customer IDs. Remember, we can change or remove any of these except for the recipient and email sent. So maybe you want to change the vertical to a date field because maybe this is going to be for an upcoming event. So you could simply change this entire column to reflect that. So once you're all set in your Google Sheet, we're gonna head on over to our Gmail. Now you're going to proceed as usual in Gmail by composing the email you want to send in bulk. And once you have that all done, in the To field of the email, we're going to put in 2 left curly brackets. Then we're gonna head back to our mail merge sheet and copy the recipient header cell. So just select the header cell and then hit Command-C or Control-C. Then let's head back to our Gmail and paste that in the To field right after our left curly brackets. Then let's close this out with 2 right curly brackets. Now notice there are no spaces anywhere here in the To field. So what these curly brackets do is personalize the bulk email for you. So anything within the curly brackets will be specified or unique, if you will. So we want to use these curly brackets for our To field because over here on the mail merge sheet, we want to send to these specific email addresses. So each one individually. So the curly brackets indicate we want to send each one individually. Am I making sense? Okay, good, because if you're following, we can apply this same theory for other uses in our bulk email. Okay, so as an example, in the subject field, we can add them to our subject. So remember how we've got a vertical listed in the sheet? Well, maybe we want to specify that vertical in the subject. So instead of what you must know now in order to grow, we could say something like what you must know now in order to grow your, and then add our 2 left curly brackets, add the vertical, and then close that with our right curly brackets, and I'll just add the word business. So this is going to be replaced with their individual assigned vertical. Then we'll do the same thing for their names in the body of the email. So, hey, curly bracket, first name, then 2 more curly brackets. And remember, this is an exact copy of the header in the Google Sheet with caps and space and all. So if you've changed your header, you want to copy that exact header and paste it right between your curly brackets. So like I said, you can apply this method to anywhere in the body of the email too. So if you wanted to mention the vertical again, or the CID number, or whatever other header you have, you can do that here. So now we actually want to send the email out. So we'll head back to our sheet and click on the email merge option at the top, then click on send emails. Now in this pop-up, you're gonna have to authorize this action. So just press continue, choose your Google account, and then you might get this scary looking pop-up that says the app isn't verified, but you can rest assured that this is safe. We got this from the Google Workspace for Developers page. So click on advanced, scroll down a bit, select the go to Gmail Sheets mail merge option, and then just click allow. Now, before we actually send the bulk emails, I would encourage you to do these exact steps, but test it by sending it to yourself and a friend or another account that you have, just so you can make sure everything is correct. So I'm going to assume you've done that and you're comfortable moving forward with the bulk email send. So now let's head back to Gmail. We're going to copy the subject line using Command C or Control C. Then back in our sheet, let's head back to that mail merge option and click on send emails. And now this time, we're gonna paste in the subject line of that Gmail draft using Command or Control V. Then just hit OK. That's all there is to it. Before you know it, the email sent column is gonna populate with the date and timestamps the email was sent at. Okay, so let's head over to one of the emails that I sent this to, and here we go. I've got a personalized email that I've sent in bulk. Now you can just duplicate this every time you need to send a personalized bulk email. I mean, come on, it's a pretty good hack. So that's how to send bulk emails in Gmail. Did you find this video helpful? Let everyone know in the comments below. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, well, I want to know. So give it a like, a share, or leave that comment below. You can click right about here to subscribe to my channel, and here for even more content just like this. It's good Gmail content, I promise. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.